All right, so we have a little air skating action going on. Brendan's here trying out the air skating rope at our property. And Graham just gave him a good push, and then he was on. Oh, and he's down. Hunter, you gonna give it a shot? And it's all about balance. Yeah. It's a beautiful day here today, Columbus Day at the property, so nice and quiet. And we set up a couple of fun things for the kids. Did this air skating rope, which was the rope that Graham set up for Hunter a week or so ago. And then we also did a rope, a chain on a huge, oh my gosh, Graham, catch him, on a huge rock in another part of our property. So we have 2 pieces to our nature's playground. Yeah, I feel a little bit better about that. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
What? You can't handle it?
Oh!
How do you, dude, you're a mess.
Yeah, I know, he's blooping everywhere.
Freaking bloopers today.
I know. He blooped.
What are you, left hand backwards?
He blooped on the chain.
Brendan.
Which we have a video of that bloop.
Are you left hand backwards?
I'm tired.
Yeah, you are tired. Alright, are you trying again, Brendan, or are you done? Because Brendan had a blooper a minute ago, but we didn't get that on video.
Okay, hold on tight. Ready?
Oh, hold on, Brendan. Oh.
Watch out, Hunter.
Hunter, watch out, babe.
Freaking wise guy.
Wise guy?
Monster.
Ow.
Oh.
Ow.
There you go.
Yeah, air skating. First day of it. Ooh, he's going to be a professional before you know it. It's in the legs and the abdomen. Okay, does he need help? Graham, does he need help? Brendan, do you need help?
No.
Oh, okay. And this is called the butt air skate. All right, well, I'll let you get back to this for a couple more minutes, and then we're off for a ride. So, it's been a beautiful day here. All right, Hunter. You're at the property. All right, well, until next time.